I think the main thing is like, what we had on the plate was enough for 2 people.
Yep.
But honestly, let's just call a spade a spade. Even if you ate the whole dang thing, it's still better for you than, a trip to McDonald's.
That's right. That's right. Yeah, you shave off a couple pounds, get some health back in your life, and indulge on some ribs when
you can have
want
a salad with that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Balance.
Yeah. Welcome to another podcast, Kosmo Unfiltered. What's up, Wes?
What's up?
Nothing much, man.
Just got cords hanging off of me right now. That's all I'm really doing.
Yeah, I like those headphones, man.
They're nice. Back from when I was a performer on a cruise ship. That's what it felt like. Jesus.
My mind just went and took off.
What song was I singing in your mind?
What were you performing on?
Was I singing War Pig?
No. You were probably like running the bingo hall or something.
Yeah, see the smoky bingo hall. Just singing crooner songs.
Yeah, the massage therapist.
It's the I hurt myself today.
You was the varicose veins massage specialist on a cruise ship. Oh man, on today's video we're going to discuss healthy barbecue. We just done a video. We actually, the name, well, at the time we don't know what the name is going to be right now. It could change. It's either healthy barbecue or we're just going to call it chicken and skewers.
What was it? The question was,
can you make healthy
barbecue?
People, so I've lost about 30 pounds.
I haven't lost any weight.
Ironically, I feel like a fat ass because we just crushed. But it was a healthy bowl.
It was
for breakfast. You brought over. But this is the chicken and rice and grilled veggies is my go-to.
Those were good too on the Weber. It didn't taste that smoky.
No,
I guess that charcoal was so hot though.
Yeah,
that was probably why.
The char, I like the char.
Mm-hmm. Even those rubs without the sugar in them, they charred up real nice.
Yeah. Dude, that's phenomenal.
It's real good.
Phenomenal meal.
I forget, garlic is not one you would pick out of a lineup, but it's like the best one.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's what I was, saying in the video is when I was thinking about getting healthy, I was like, man, I just need some rubs with, low sodium, low sugar, or no sugar, So I bought some other ones out on the market, and they were just freaking horrible.
Yeah, no good.
But in my opinion, horrible.
Mm-hmm. No flavor.
I'm not going to mention any names, but, popular ones. And I was like, it doesn't, and then finally somebody said to me, they said, why are you buying something with no salt? You need salt. You have to have salt. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. And you start working out and stuff like that. Now, there are, I'm sure, people out there that, need no salt. They probably just abuse it for so long. I don't know. I'm not a physician. But I was like, oh, well, that's what I do. If I need to make them, I will. And that's where the healthy line came from.
Yeah. I got a buddy that carries his own salt with him when he goes places.
Yeah.
Because there's I'm new to this game. There's levels of quality salt.
Oh, yes. 1,000%.
I thought maybe there was normal salt and then smoky salt or something. I didn't realize there was for a certain demographic, there is a low bar and we will not go below this bar for salt.
Huh.
So you have Malden salt before? The flaky stuff?
Is that where it's from?
It's like a finishing salt. When Josh Weissman says flaky salt, that's what he's talking about.
Well, flaky salt is just
this, I'm telling you, this salt comes from a certain place. Yeah. It's like a salt marsh in England.
Yeah, and then they dry it out, and that's where the flaky comes from.
That's how they've done it forever. They
scratch up the residue, and it's flaky. Yeah.
Yep. That's the stuff.
Sea salt.
Yep.
Flake sea salt, true sea salt, how it is that's how it is.
Yeah.
Then they, compress it and grind it or compress it and, put it into the granules or those big granules that you see.
Well, but then they've got diamond kosher salt, crystal salt, which is it's almost like sugar, like a table salt and a sugar mixed together is kind of what it feels like. So it's real fine.
Yeah.
But you can use more of it and that's good for apparently seasoning meat. Anyway, we're off on a salt tangent, but I'm learning all about salt.
I like pink Himalayan salt.
Pink Himalayan salt's good. That's kind of like an in-between.
I don't know. I think it's good. And flaky sea salt.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
You know,
it's good stuff.
that's my go-to.
Those clean eating seasonings, though, they punched above their weight. And that meal came together so fast.
Oh, dude, it's so quick.
Yep.
That's like the perfect, and even if you wanted to, like, I didn't flavor the chicken skewers. Like you could put some Asian glaze on there.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
You could turn that you could take that food right there and turn it Asian. You could turn it, Mexican. You could keep it, Mediterranean.
Right.
It for not many added calories.
Right.
Not many.
It doesn't have any to begin with, so you just put a little bit more on with a glaze or something.
Yeah.
Spice it up a little bit.
So if I was going to make that Asian, I would take that exact same stuff. I'd probably cut up the tomatoes. I'd probably leave them on the side, honestly. And then I would hit it with some of the Asian glaze.
Yep. Yeah. Be out, lights out.
Yeah.
Real good.
Even if you put it in a burrito, rolled it up, Asian glaze, completely different.
No big deal. Yeah, you can switch the veggie up, do like a squash or like a zucchini or something like that.
I'm not a fan of those, man.
See, I don't mind them at all.
My
I think
wife
they're
cooks
good.
them, but just not a fan.
You could do asparagus or something. You could
I can get with asparagus.
Or yeah, I mean, it's hard because barbecue is just like by the time you've seasoned it and what you put everything in the wrap. I mean, you're talking about calories through the roof, fat through the roof.
Well, and then you sit down and I don't know about everybody else, but me, I'm sucking beers down, and then I'm eating a meal with about 2,000 calories.
Ooh.
So I ingest probably 4,000 calories in a day, which is twice what I really need.
It adds up. It'll catch up to you.
It does add up.
It's all about moderation. I mean, part where we live, heck, there's parts of the year I don't even want to be out cooking. It's too hot.
Yeah. Boy, that ain't no kidding.
Man, or too cold.
And too cold. And we're,
I'd prefer the too cold, though. I don't mind that. I'll get out there quick and get back inside.
Yeah. Yeah. If we had a nice, little...
If only.
Sectioned off place. I keep saying, I need to, we got 3 places we can cook at now, and none of them are perfect. And I don't think there is a perfect.
That sounds like and I took that personally, the Michael Jordan meme. None of them are perfect. Yeah. And I took that personally.
Yeah.
So you're going to be out there with a sledge making it right.
Yeah. Not really a lot to this one. Super simple, super
easy. Chicken breasts are good for that.
Yeah, you can do it. I mean,
heck, you could do like wings if you want to be kind of spicy with it or something.
Yeah. I think the main thing is like, what we had on the plate was enough for 2 people.
Yep.
But honestly, let's just call a spade a spade. Even if you ate the whole dang thing, it's still better for you than, a trip to McDonald's.
That's right. That's right. Yeah, you shave off a couple pounds, get some health back in your life, and indulge on some ribs when
you can have a
to.
Salad with that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Balance.
Yeah, I'm really excited about the next podcast. So that's where my head is right now.
Oh yeah, you're already okay. Well, land the plane.
All right. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we do here, share this with a friend. Don't forget we do this for free. We don't charge for any of this. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.